motion is everywhere, fans, pumps, motors, engines. It's rather ubiquitous throughout industry. It's actually a quite simple process whereby magnets are attached to some type of rotating or reciprocal surface, and then a ferrite transducer, it's basically a coil, picks up the pulses from these magnets either through rotation or reciprocal action. And our patented energy harvester is able to condition, amplify, and store this as DC energy, usable setting from 3 to 9 volts. We have done tests on everything from an outboard motor in speedboats in the UK to construction equipment to diesel engines, everything, and even automotive. We even have an automotive function that gets its energy from our energy harvester and sends tachometry pulses. A big technological breakthrough happening in the industrial world right now is the IoT, Internet of Things. An example of this type of technology, there's a particular company that makes single sensor or single parameter IoT sensors. We are running one energy harvesting board powering 3 of these IoT sensors. This experiment's been running for 3.5 years. And in this case, there are no batteries. All the power is being supplied purely by the energy harvesting device. No change out of the battery, no concern of suddenly losing data. If you have a device that is always running, you're always going to have power for whatever type of sensors you're trying to provide power for. We've also worked with what we call battery management, using some other technology married to ours, and this would make the optimum world in which you have a battery that would never super discharge. It would always stay charged, and the device would run indefinitely. So when the device isn't, the pump or compressor is not running, you would need the battery. When it runs, the battery through the energy management would be charged back up. And you would have a situation never having to worry about changing the battery, and at the same time, you taking advantage of the energy coming from the harvester. Our energy harvester is able to convert the pulses that come out of piezo vibration transducers into usable power. We also found out that variable reluctance sensors, which use the change in inductance in a rotating wheel on motors, that output fed to our energy harvester produces very usable DC